What's going on, everybody? Gonna take a quick look at the micro futures here today. Looks like we're all in the green. Kicking this off, looking at the Dow micro futures. Looks like we're in between a trend here. We're in a range. So far, we have some nice follow through to the upside from yesterday, holding above the 50-day moving average. We're in limbo here with the Dow, trying to figure out which way this thing wants to go. Is it going to continue its trend higher or continue its trend lower? Right now, we're just sitting in a range, kind of waiting to see what this thing does. That's where the Dow's at. The Bitcoin micro futures. The portfolio has been short the Bitcoin micro futures for a while now. It's getting pretty close to our profit target. Whether that gets hit or not, or it continues to trend lower, time will tell. The past 2 days we are bouncing nice here, but so far we remain short the Bitcoin micro futures. While everybody has been calling for 100,000, 70-some thousand Bitcoin, the position has been short and remained short until it's stopped out. And that's the beautiful thing about having stops, is you put them in and let them work for you. Takes all the emotions out of trading. So we'll see what happens here. If we see a strong bounce to the upside in Bitcoin, we'll be stopped out in that position for a profit. But who knows? We don't know what's going to happen here. The crypto market is oversold and has been for some time now, so any kind of bounce would be expected. But we continue to look at the charts, and we'll see what happens here. So the portfolio remains short still for the micro Bitcoin futures, but today we are up a couple hundred points. All right, S&P 500 futures, the micros. Also some really nice follow through from yesterday. I'm using bar chart here. The quotes are quite delayed, but it says they're up 32 handles right now. Similar as the Dow, kind of in a limbo phase here. Not really trending up, not really trending down. Kind of just trying to figure itself out here around the holiday season. So we'll see if the trend continues higher or what. But that's where we're at now. Kind of in limbo, kind of waiting to tell us, let the charts tell us what's going to happen next year. Over to the NASDAQ micros. Similar as the other two indices. Nice follow through from yesterday. Bounced off the 50-day moving averages 2 days ago. Well above the 200-day moving average, but still in that limbo phase, in that trading range. Not really trending down, not really trending up, kind of going sideways here, consolidation, perhaps getting ready for the next move higher. We will see what happens here. And over to the Russell 2000 micro futures. On the other hand, the Russell has been, we did see a nice breakout, and then that position was stopped out, and then we have been continuing to trend lower, putting in lower highs and higher lows on the Russell. Although we have had quite the bounce here, so we'll see if this trend is ready to work its way back to the upside. But right now, this has more of a downtrend look to it, at least short term. So also keeping an eye on the chart, and the chart will tell us what is up next for the Russell. All right, that's a little midday futures update. Kind of our thoughts, kind of where we're at. We have more in-depth videos about the positions the portfolio are in, and those are posted only to the Patreon members over on our Patreon group. We will leave a link for the Patreon trading group, which is a micro futures trading group, down in the video description. All right. We will be back, and if we don't see you guys later, have a great holiday weekend and a happy New Year's. All right, traders, take care.